Welcome to Riverbend Pigs, where every part of our animals is used with respect and innovation.
Right here, our hogs grow on a balanced diet for premium quality. Their strong skins become the star in our instant noodles.
Turn on notifications, you won't miss a thing. Let's dive in.
Steady now, get that one in front. Easy there, girl.
Okay.
Looking solid at 28 kilos today. Easy there, girl. Steady now, get that one in front. Looking solid at 28 kilos today.
$95 even, good elasticity.
Solid tension, mark it.
Looks perfect. $25, that's our batch.
PRRS dose, lot B2025045. 30 seconds, all wet even. COM 4, all set. All clear. Trailer secure, 200 head, en route in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 10, we're good.
Riverbend Dispatch, this is Unit 1. We are rolling out onto County Road 12, ETA 530.
Copy that, safe travels.
Looking good up front.
Through, all green.
Sample 047, clear flow. Flow steady, 40 incoming.
Copy, steady flow.
Full unconscious. Release.
Do the line up in your righty. Clean cut, full bleed. Separation complete, 58 minutes.
Core drop confirmed, batch 14.
4 degrees even, fans optimal. Hook set, 100 on rail. Clean peel, 0.1 millimeter. Edge clean, follicles good. Fold flat, ID 0456 scanned. Chlorine 0.5, good clean.
Under 10. Agitation strong.
Clean exit, RLU3.
Defect excised, pass.
1.8 millimeter excised, yield hold.
Batch stacked, 98.5 yield.
Enzyme 0.5%, lot 25, 2025 total. Viscosity 5,000, uniform. Barrel 80, primed. 0.3 millimeters, rate good. 0.3 millimeter, rate good. Lengths uniform, 5 kg bin. Pattern 0.2 millimeter, RH40. Pulse set, 12% target. 12% dry, tray full. Seam clean, 9.2 kilograms. Tendon full to trim. $1.9 kilogram loss, net 8.1. Depth 6 centimeters, gain 1.2 kilograms. Five minutes, purge 1.8. Load day 1, RH80. RH80.2, stable. Racks level, pH 5.8 baseline.
Batched calibrated, variance 0.3 grams.
Open good, fill scan pass.
Even settle, 200 minutes.
Flush 0.302, burst 28er. Seam 5 millimeter, 99.8 integrity.
Flush 0.302. Burst 20 enters. Seam 5 millimeter. 99.8 integrity.
Stack 24, arm path good.
Code clear. Yield 99.9.
Bond 50 meter, pallet 40.
Pallet 40 cartons. Shuttle ready.
Speed 0.8, Bay 4-2C.
Bay 42C stored. Density 95. Pallet to zone 3. Scan confirmed.
20 pallets, 800 cartons received.
800 cartons, route set.
Unit 2 rolling, all green. Copy Unit 2, maintain 10.
Aisle 7 set, assist needed.
Facings 24, planogram good.
Transaction 4567, balance good. Next, please. Have a good day.
Display test pass. Sales uptick? Lights 200 lux. Threshold set.
Aisle 7 low, reorder flag. 12 per hour, facing refill.
Scan good. Proceed.
3 minutes should do. Smells right.
More soy?
Good chew.